The Razer Blade 15 is a premium gaming laptop that has garnered significant attention for its sleek design, powerful performance, and high-quality display. Let's delve into its key features and why it stands out in the competitive gaming laptop market. At the heart of the Razer Blade 15 is its robust hardware configuration. Depending on the model, it typically boasts an Intel Core i7 or i9 processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. This combination ensures smooth gameplay and seamless multitasking, whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or engaging in content creation tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. One of the standout features of the Razer Blade 15 is its stunning display options. It offers various panel choices, including Full HD, Quad HD, and 4K OLED displays, catering to different preferences and requirements. These displays are known for their vibrant colors, high contrast ratios, and excellent viewing angles, providing an immersive gaming and multimedia experience. Design-wise, the Razer Blade 15 is sleek and minimalist, with a durable aluminum chassis that exudes premium quality. Despite its powerful hardware, the laptop maintains a relatively thin profile, making it portable enough to carry around for gaming sessions or work on the go. The customizable RGB keyboard adds a touch of flair and allows users to personalize their setup according to their preferences. In terms of connectivity, the Razer Blade 15 offers a comprehensive selection of ports, including Thunderbolt 3, USB Type-A, HDMI, and a headphone/microphone combo jack, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and accessories. Additionally, Razer's software ecosystem enhances the overall user experience. The Razer Synapse software provides intuitive controls for customizing keyboard lighting, performance settings, and macro configurations. Users can also take advantage of features like Game Mode, which optimizes system resources for smoother gameplay. While the Razer Blade 15 commands a premium price tag, its high-end components, premium build quality, and attention to detail justify the investment for serious gamers and professionals alike. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast seeking top-tier performance or a creative professional in need of a versatile workstation, the Razer Blade 15 delivers on both fronts, making it a compelling choice in the gaming laptop market.